Your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. Bsod is showing in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Stop code DPC Watchdog Violation. How to fix solution? Open Device Manager. Expand IDE, ATA, ATA, PI controllers. Right click standard SATA AHCI controller and select update driver. Choose browse my computer for drivers. Select let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select standard SATA AHCI controller and click next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close. Close the window. Restart your PC. Solution 2. Search for CMD window. Right click command prompt and select run as administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press enter. Wait for the process to finish and then restart your PC. Solution 3. Go to update settings and check for update. Subscribe.